Now let's learn about the three different sounds of the ed ending, which is, of course, used in the past tense. And it's also used sometimes to express a description, as in, I'm surprised, he's excited. Okay, so let's think about these three sounds. With ed, everything depends on which sound comes last in the word, which sound is just before ed. If that is one of our softer sounds, a vowel sound or a soft consonant, then ed sounds like da. Repeat these words. Reviewed, joined, offered. When we have that da sound, it's quite soft and maybe difficult to hear, but if you don't quite speak da, you're in the present tense or you're changing the word. So it's important to get that little da sound. Now, if the last sound in the word before ed is one of our stronger sounds, a sound like ka or cha, then we say ta, the T sound. Repeat these. Risked, developed, enforced. And finally, if that last sound in the word is either D or T, that's when we say ed, which actually adds a syllable to the word. Try these. Dominated, visited, avoided. You can notice here that if that final sound is a T spelling, it will actually sound like D in many words, because now maybe that T is between two vowels. As we learned way back in lesson 1, we have to speak T as a D when it comes between vowel sounds, as in water or computer. So that happens quite often with this ed ending. Okay, so which sounds are strong and which sounds are soft? I also have a chart for you on this page to give you those exact letters and sounds. So now let's go through the example words in the chart to practice these rules even more specifically. Repeat. First, when ed sounds like T. Picked, laughed, stopped, released, affixed, washed, matched. Now, when ed sounds like D or da. Bagged, called, roamed, toured, vowed, paid, sighed, showed. And now when ed sounds like ed. Attempted, handed, planted, acted, created, dominated, selected. Okay, that completes our lesson on the three sounds of the ed ending.